Good morning. I'm going to try something interesting today. FLIR mode. I'm going to weld this panel on and we're going to observe. Look at, I can just put my hand here. Okay, let's try again. There's a little bit of heat transfer, but it dissipates quick. I'm going to weld this panel on and cool it as I go, and we're going to see what happens with the heat effective zone. There's a panel welded in right across the top of this, about 3/4 of an inch up. I want to keep it cold because there's a foam sealant in there. We'll see if it catches fire or not. If it does, we'll know. Okay, let us begin. Look at that heat. Really warm up here, right? It's barely warm to the touch, but you can see, yeah, there, it's pretty much gone now. A few more tacks. Maybe I'll do a little longer one, see what happens. Heard that, eh? Burn through. Look at that heat. It's going more into the bottom than the top, and I'm suspecting because of that piece across here. A couple of tweaks with a hammer. Wish it all sounded like that part. Okay, right around here. That's right on the corner. Okay, well, I'll weld right here. We'll see how hot it gets. still warm. That's better. A couple more and then we'll shut it down and post it on YouTube. Okay, it's barely warm, but you can see that as I'm welding, the panel is getting warmer and warmer as we go. So give it a few minutes, take a break, let it cool off, take your time, and you end up with a better result. Now, Rick at Old Time Garage stresses this. Dan at DD Speed Shop and Bad Chad, they all stress that you got to take your time with this. And you wonder why this work is so expensive and why it takes so much time? Here's the reason. It's still warm. It's not, doesn't feel warm, but you can see by the camera, it don't lie. It's starting to cool off now. I'm going to shut this down and thanks for watching. You all have a safe day.